it's Tasha with WTI, and I want to share with you one of my favorite teas. It's Bigelow's Blackberry Citrus with Zinc. I am just delighted with Bigelow's Blackberry Citrus Herbal Tea plus Zinc. One thing I really enjoy is that it's caffeine free, so to me, I'm able to drink it in the morning, during the day, or even right before I go to bed. It's super simple to just open it up and put it in a cup and steep some water over it. And in a few minutes, I have a warm, delightful beverage. It is just a wonderful tea with high quality ingredients. I love the color. I love the blackberry flavor. It has a little bit of citrus, but it's not overpowering. And I love you can order a 6-pack to always have some on hand. This tea has high quality ingredients and great flavor. That's my point of view.